In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Turbotax through countyoffice.org. If you're looking to get your taxes done efficiently and without fuss, Turbotax is a great option. I'm here to guide you through the process step by step so you can get started with Turbotax in no time. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Turbotax official site. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing Turbotax into the search bar. Click on the link that leads to their official website. This is a crucial step as you want to ensure you're purchasing Turbotax directly from their site to avoid any scams or unnecessary third-party fees. Once you're on the Turbotax homepage, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. There you will find the Sign In button. Clicking on Sign In will take you to the login page. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials to log in. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. This process is straightforward and involves entering some basic personal information, such as your email address and a password of your choice. After you've logged in, navigate to the Turbotax home section. This is usually accessible from the menu or dashboard after signing in. Once you're on the home page, you'll find various options related to the services offered by Turbotax. Look for the Switch Products link. This option is useful if you are already using a different version of Turbotax and need to upgrade or change to a different product that better suits your tax filing needs. Next, you'll see the Upgrade option. Clicking on this will provide you with information about different Turbotax versions. It's important to choose a version that fits your specific tax situation and requirements. Turbotax offers different levels of service, from basic filing for simple tax returns to more comprehensive options for complex tax situations. Take some time to review these options. If unsure, you can compare features and prices to make the most informed decision. Now it's time to select the product that meets your needs. Simply browse through the list of available products, and when you've decided, click on your chosen product. This action will prompt you to confirm your selection. The site might ask you to review your order summary before proceeding to checkout. Ensure all details are correct and proceed to purchase your Turbotax product. By following these steps, purchasing Turbotax could not be simpler. You're now ready to tackle this tax season with confidence. If you have any issues along the way, Turbotax offers customer support to assist you. Thanks for joining me, and I hope this guide has empowered you to make your Turbotax purchase with ease. Happy tax filing.